In today's competitive sales environment, motivation isn't just about commissions, it's about the right incentives that spark energy, drive results, and keep teams performing at their best. That's where spiff programs come in. Spiffs are short-term sales performance incentives designed to reward sales reps for hitting specific targets or achieving particular goals fast. The best spiff programs combine clear objectives, instant rewards, and measurable impact. They turn sales goals into exciting challenges rather than routine numbers. A well-crafted spiff can increase engagement, improve focus, and create friendly competition across teams. Let's break down what makes a spiff program truly effective. First, it must be simple and transparent. Reps should instantly understand what they're aiming for and what they'll earn once they hit it. Complicated reward structures kill motivation. Keep it clear, direct, and easy to track. Second, the reward must feel valuable and immediate. Cash bonuses, digital gift cards, paid experiences, and product vouchers all work well when delivered quickly. The faster the reward, the stronger the reinforcement. Delayed gratification weakens the excitement. Third, align the spiff with company goals. If the goal is to push a new product, reward sales tied specifically to that product. If you want more upsells, incentivize larger deal sizes. The key is connecting rewards to behavior that drives business outcomes. Some of the best performing spiff tools today include platforms like Everstage, QuotaPath, SalesScreen, and Ambition. These tools automate tracking, distribute rewards instantly, and keep the competition visible on leaderboards. They also integrate with CRMs like Salesforce and HubSpot, ensuring data stays accurate and real-time. To keep the momentum alive, rotate spiff themes regularly, monthly, quarterly, or around major product launches. Mix up the price types, too, so excitement doesn't fade. A limited-time spiff with a great reward can reignite motivation even in slower months. Above all, remember that recognition matters as much as rewards. Publicly celebrating top performers multiplies the motivational effect. Combine instant rewards, visible recognition, and goal alignment, and your spiff program will become a serious growth engine for your sales team. That's how to create the best spiff programs that keep sales teams inspired, competitive, and consistently delivering results.